Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the icon. Pick a 1024 x 1024 PNG or convert to icons because the doc uses high-resolution artwork. Once done, open Finder and locate the app you want to change. This ensures you modify the correct target. Make sure the app is not running. Quit it if necessary. Then select your new icon file and press CMD+C to copy it. This step copies pixel data into the clipboard, so you can paste it into the app's Get Info panel. Now paste the icon into the application bundle via Get Info. Click the app and press CMD+I, then click the tiny icon in the top left of that window until it highlights. This tells macOS you intend to replace the icon. Press CMD+V to paste the image you copied. If the paste option is unavailable, convert your PNG to icons or open the image in Preview and use Edit Copy, then return to Get Info and paste. This replaces the resource the doc reads for display. Finish by forcing the doc to refresh so you see the new image. Quit and relaunch the doc with Terminal, type kill all doc, it restarts instantly and should show the updated icon. If the old icon persists, clear the icon cache and reboot. This removes stored thumbnails that override changes. Make sure you have backups before removing system caches. If anything goes wrong, revert the change and Get Info with CMD+X, or reinstall the app to restore its original icon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.